Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. What do you think makes a really good test automation engineer? Is it the ability to code? Well, coding's important, but I can teach you to code. You'll learn. If you keep at it, you will learn. Everyone starts from a point where they don't know how to code. Everyone starts not knowing Java or JavaScript. Not a big deal. You can learn that with patience. What about writing test scripts fast? Maybe a great test automation engineer can write test scripts really fast. Or sure, being able to produce lots of test scripts, that's got value. But if those scripts, if those scenarios are not useful, not so much. And when this happens is important as well. If you're writing a whole lot of automated test scripts of your manual test scripts way after the application's been delivered, that's not very useful to the team. It's not going to help them go faster. In my opinion, the thing that makes a really good test automation engineer stand out, the things that you can do very easily, that you can learn and that you can aim for in very practical terms, is that a good test automation engineer will try not to write test automation scripts faster. A great test automation engineer is someone who does everything they can to make automation deliver value sooner. That's quite different from writing test scripts faster. Delivering value sooner means that you're maybe collaborating with folk earlier on. Maybe you're talking to developers to make automation fit as part of the release process, part of the development cycle. Maybe you're working with developers to make sure you have endpoints that you can test more easily, or that the front-end application that is easily accessible, it's easy to test. Maybe you're doing all that stuff. You're talking to business to make sure you are actually collaborating better and defining the acceptance criteria. Just doing that is hugely valuable. But the automation side, you want to focus on doing automation that delivers value sooner, not that gets written faster. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.